Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. When I get important information like this, I feel it worthy to do a quick upload and share that with everyone on the channel. I'm also very thankful at the folks that did forward me this memo that I want to share with you now. We talk about things going on behind the scenes, and I don't think you realize yesterday how close we were to another major Corvette production interruption. Let me read part of this memo to you that went out to Bowling Green Assembly temporary employees. Your positions are crucial to the success of our plant. Unfortunately, we were unable to reach an agreement. The current deadline for temporary employee retention approval is today at 2:30 p.m. It was yesterday, December 2nd. In the absence of resolution, we will release our temporary workforce. Without this group of important team members, we will have to float the second shift employees to first shift and temporarily lay off second shift beginning Monday as well. Countermeasures to this employee reduction could also include going to critical plant status, which could result in mandatory maximum overtime starting in a couple of weeks, as well as other reductions. Now, after that 2:30 deadline, it took some time, but we did get a statement from General Motors. It reads as follows. Plant leadership has been actively working with local union leadership to secure the quarterly agreement that maintains our temporary workforce, which is comprised of valued team members that are critical to the success of our plant. We have been bargaining in good faith and are pleased to share that we have come to an agreement with a local union to keep all temporary employees. We realize the uncertainty today, especially during the holiday season, has been difficult on the entire workforce. Thanks to all of our employees for your understanding and patience during this time. Take some time to relax this weekend. Monday's production will continue as per usual schedule for all temporary and seniority employees. Thank you, Bowling Green Assembly team. Now that is some good news, and I thank you for watching.